Hey, was ist los jeder? Ich heiße Kimmerman und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I have here a model kit from the Mecha anime from the Gundam series, Gundam 00, and for me this is one of the overrated design or overrated Gundam character that I saw in my life, aside from the Seed series and the Universal Century series. And this is none other than the Gundam EXIA, which was released by Bandai in the year 2009. And I wonder why people choose this kit back then, because they say that it's a cool kit. To be honest, it's kit that is not your typical, or it's not from the typical designs like we saw from the Universal Century and the other stuff like the Gundam Wing, or Afterwar Gundam X. So it has a more sleeker design. But what I heard from these Americans, the American Gundam reviewers, that this kit turns to be flimsy, even though this is only just a 15-year-old kit as of this recording. Whereas if I will compare my older kits like the No Grades and even the Mastergrades that was being released older than this one, they are still good. They're still okay. The joints are still stiff and kicking so hard like that. But for these Americans, they say this is not good and they want a 2.0 already of this one. So I want to find out if these Americans are telling the truth. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam EXIA will provide us. Fangen wir an, los geht's! The box art is very cool for me, and we can see here the EXIA is striking, or having a striking pose, wielding his right GN blade there, and we have here vehicles of war, or the trucks underneath, and there are these ground suits there on the back, flying in the background. So there, it's very action themed box art. And we can see in the side of the box the arsenals, gimmicks, and action poses of this Gundam EXIA. And there we can see it can wield the sabers, beam saber, and short one and the long one. And despite having the blades, or the GN blades, it also have beam sabers. So a redundant Gundam. Too much blades for this Gundam. I can say that this Gundam can be a chef because he can cut meat. And there it has beam saber in the backpack, or the butt part I mean, and there the GN drives or gems, and there it can hold the GN blade, and this is the straight build. It has so many blades included there, and we have here the GN drive being displayed there. And so in the other side of the box we can see the front view, the rear view, the action poses with the GN blades, and the GN gun can turn into gun mode. And there we have another GN side blades there. It's called also GN blades. And nothing else. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see the kits. Here we have red, yellow, white, and clear greens plastic or runners here, we have these stickers for the underneath the Gen design. So this is multicolored runner. We have here white runners with this Gen rubber, something like that, that will be attached to the shoulders, the legs, the arms. We have white runners here. We got dark gray plastic here for the shield and this Gen sword. We got blue plastics and white plastic here for the shield and armor pieces. We got gray plastic parts here for, so we have here polycaps, tons of polycaps. So I guess I'll be using my spare polycaps because this is the PC 130 polycap, very common polycap during 2010s. And there we have gray parts here for the inner frame, and we got beam saber effect parts. So I remember the beam saber being used by the Gundam age 1 normal, age 2 dark hound. So they have this kind of beam saber, and we got these gray parts for the blade, for the sword, and we got these clear parts for this GN stand here. This for me useless part here. So there we got the instruction manual, and the instruction manual is very cool. We can see some a neon colored shiny blue thing here, and then we can see the face of the EXIA. And there it's Gundam 00, released by Bandai 2009, and instruction manual. So it looks like the manual from yep, similar with the early and late 2000s. And there you can see the parts list. So it's not that much. I can say that I can build this within 2 hours maximum. There the manual are printed in black and white, and then so it's easy. I can find that this kit is easy build, and it's the basic Gundam for Setsuna FC. And I'm very happy that they include a pilot that is a Muslim. Setsuna FC is a Muslim, and there, so we can see here the color codes, or where you can apply the stickers, the decals. Bullshit motorcycle. This is very rampant in my place, and so there it is. You can see the Gundam EXIA front view here being straight build. Okay, before we review the runners, I just want to share that, to be honest, I don't like buying the EXIA because I already have this full saber, and I find this very nice. And there, for me, this full saber is redundant due to the fact that it has so much blades there. But design wise, I really like the appearance of this in my shelf due to the fact that it has this clear green bits here, or blade parts here, the GN blades. And so now I just want to prove if the EXIA is really that bad based on the American review, so I bought it. So we have here gray runners. This is runner E for the GN blade or the GN sword and the shield parts. We have polycaps, just very rampant since 2000 until the late 2000 releases. Okay, we got this runner F here, gray parts for the inner frame. We got this Runner H inner frame parts, as well as this Runner G here. And we got Beam Saber effect parts. Pink one, same like the H1 and H2 on the Mage. And we have here Runner J2 for Gen Sword, Gen Blades. And we got this multicolored Runner A for the red, white, yellow, and clear green parts. And we got Runner B for the white parts. And we got this Setsuna FSA pilot figure, sitting figure, and this very nice. I really like the V fin of this model because of this. It's a simple white V fin. Okay, and we got here blue parts for armor pieces, and it's Runner D. And we got Runner C for the white armor pieces for the shield here. And we got this holographic rubber type of plastic, which is the insignia or the trademark of the Gundam 00 series kits. And we got these clear parts here, Runner I for the GN parts, and GN display stand here. And finally we got this stickers, decals, dry transfer for the kit, but unfortunately I don't like applying this to my kit. And so my Mastergrade Canful Saber here will have its partner, which is the Gundam EXIA after I build this. So it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care. Thank you for watching this unboxing review of the Gundam EXIA, and see you next time. Goodbye, masalama, auf Wiedersehen.